Hey guys, so you've seen it right. I did not invest on Axie Infinity, and in today's video I will tell you guys kung bakit. And yeah, and I hope you could get some info as to why it might be for you and it might not be for you as well. And for those who are new here, hello, my name is Oshin and I make videos on personal finance, some tech that can help you, lifestyle hacks and whatnots. But before I start, may I just remind everyone that I am not a licensed financial advisor, so please always do your research. And so while Axie Infinity might not have worked on me for now, and you know it might work for you. So today, we will be discussing the following. So number one, ano ba yung Axie Infinity and why is it such a hype right now? Number two, is it a scam? And number three, baka naiinig niyo yung term na Axie managers and scholars. And number four, why I personally did not invest in Axie Infinity. And number five, what did I do instead? Alright, so what is Axie Infinity? So Axie Infinity is basically a play-to-earn game that lets you earn cryptocurrency by playing these cute little animals, which reminds me of Tamagotchi when I was still a kid. And if you don't know what cryptocurrency is, it's basically digital money. I can make a more detailed video about it in the near future. Just let me know also in the comment section. And going back to the topic, so yung cryptocurrency that you earn in Axie Infinity is yung tinatawag natin na small love potions or SLPs. So basically how you earn money is that since SLP is a cryptocurrency, you can convert it into any fiat currency such as Philippine peso or US dollars as long as there is a supported platform. What they usually do is that they convert SLP to Ethereum and then you can convert your Ethereum to Philippine peso. And I think coins.ph is an example of the platform where you can do this stuff. So the big question is if Axie Infinity is a scam. Alright, so the answer here is that the system and the game is not a scam. Alright, but there are scammers out there taking advantage of this. So one example would be yung mga fake Axie managers, and some of them would ask you ridiculous amounts of money. And as far as I know, you need to shell out money whether you are an Axie manager or a scholar. I'm not sure with the scholars, but as far as I know, kailangan din nila mag-shell out ng pera. And let me know in the comment section. And later on, I'll explain what's an Axie manager and an Axie scholar. So paano ba nag-work yung Axie Infinity? So it works basically both on PC and Android as of this moment, but there's an ongoing beta testing of Axie Infinity on iOS para ma-support din siya ng Apple platforms. And you basically play using these Axies, these cute little Axies, and then it's a turn-based game, and then you get to fight either other players through a PvP mode and meron din siyang story mode. And you need to earn SLPs when you play the game. So yung SLPs basically parang minamine mo siya when you play the game. Alright, so kanina I mentioned the Axie managers and Axie scholars. So ano ba yung difference ng dalawa? So the first one is yung Axie managers. These are account owners and they've played Axie Infinity way before pa. So sila pa yung mga dating nag-invest dito, naglaro. So yeah, these are the Axie managers. And on the other hand, yung mga Axie scholars naman, these are account players who have the luxury of time to play the game and they are hired by the Axie managers. And how they share their profit would depend on the Axie managers. So some of them would have as in contracts na notarized pa ng mga attorneys. And like some of them, 60-40 ang share and pwedeng per week or per month yung payout. Depende sa usapan ng both parties. So why I did not invest in Axie Infinity, it's because of course it's crypto and it's very volatile, which actually hindi naman siya yung parang main reason talaga. But I will explain of the details first before I go to my main reason. Number one, for me, medyo hassle mag-setup ng account. Una, kailangan mo mag-download ng tinatawag na Mavis Hub. So, ito yung client ng game bago mo ma-download yung game mismo. And then the second one is you need to set up a MetaMask account or a Ronin account, which will be like your login account for Axie Infinity. And at the same time, once sa pag na-set up mo na yung Axie Infinity mo, meron ka ng account. So to get Axies, you need to buy them from the Axie Marketplace, which is on their website. And also as of this date, which is July 31, the cheapest Axie in the market costs around $300, which for me, it's a bit hard to get into the market and it's a bit too expensive for me already. And just to be honest, I am not a big fan of turn-based games unless the story is really good, just like any other classic JRPGs like katulad ng mga Octopath Traveler, Suikoden, so yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, these Axies are
very cute.
And it's really a hype right now, and in my observation, if it's too much of a hype, it might go down in the near future. So now is not the best time to enter the opportunity or the market. Well, maybe in the future. So while me, I did not invest in Axie Infinity, here's what I did instead. So what I did is that I invested directly in cryptocurrency. And I can make a more detailed video in the future on how I make my investments in crypto. Again, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it. So going back, right now, I invest and I buy my cryptocurrencies using Binance. And some of them I store in a Ledger hard wallet, which I did an unboxing before na makikita nyo sa video na to. But probably my most favorite right now is my Crypto.com Visa debit card, which is this, wherein I have a free Spotify because of this card, and free because if I pay using this debit card on my Spotify premium account, Crypto.com will reimburse 100% of my Spotify premium subscription in the form of CRO, and ito yung native cryptocurrency of Crypto.com. You know what guys, just a trivia, I got this card by investing 5,000 pesos, and right now yung value ng ininvest ko sa Crypto.com is times 4 or times 5 na. I invested last year in October. So I'd say it's a really good investment for me. And if you are also interested in getting a Crypto.com account and maybe getting this card as well, you can check my sign-up code and you'll get free $25 at no cost to you. Disclaimer also that I will also be getting $25 when you sign up. Oh, and again, going back dun sa card, kung dati nag-invest ako ng 5,000 pesos, unfortunately ngayon, mas mahal na yung kailangan mong i-shell out para makakuha ka nitong Visa Platinum na debit card ng Crypto.com. So yeah, just putting it there for information purposes. So probably the last question would be is that, will I play or invest in Axie Infinity in the future? Yes, I will. But I will definitely need two resources, which is time and money. And sure, I might have the money or the capital to invest, but definitely, I do not have the time. Alam niyo ba guys, I have a friend who happens to be an Axie manager, and they said na on your first week, you need to play at least 5 hours a day para umabot ng level 20 yung Axies mo. Girl, hindi ko kaya. Pretty sure that it is not also the play-to-earn game that will be released in the future. In fact, baka nga meron ng ibang play-to-earn games ngayon aside from Axie Infinity that I am not even aware of. And who knows, diba? Baka yung next game, mas maganda yung mechanics at saka yung gameplay. So, yeah, that's it. That's the reason why I did not invest in Axie Infinity. Thank you very much for watching. If you find value on this video, please do not forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Alright? So remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you again soon. Peace out.